Hi guys, I'm Lydia and today I want to show you how to create such a little awesome Blizzard book for text. This project has 3 parts. The Blizzard book, the text and the cover, and I will do 2 videos. The first part is the Blizzard book and the second part are the creating the text and the cover. So what do you need to create such a little booklet? You need decorative paper. I will use this. I think it's from India. It's not too thick, should be good for folding. Then for the cover I use such a piece of black paper. This is a bit stronger, maybe it's more like cardboard or something like that. Then paper for the text. I'm using leftovers from a book binding project. For the text and the tag decorating, I use vintage book pages and other embellishment like letters or little dots or something like that. Here you can use what you like and add different things like paper or little metal things or something like that. So and of course you need a bit glue. I use a glue stick and all-purpose glue, and for folding a bone folder. So let's start with the Blizzard book. This paper strip is 17 centimeters by 66 centimeters, and the first thing what we do is fold this strip into an accordion fold. So I start for the piece in the middle. And the other side. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 parts. So before we begin, I will show you how I will fold this on another piece of paper so you can see better what I'm doing. Okay, we have this thing like this. Yeah, okay. And we will start the outside and we will fold a triangle this way. And the same this side. Okay. Next step is to fold a triangle here and here. And the same on the other side. So we have this folding line on both sides. Next, triangle. And on this side. And on this we also need this triangle forward. So now you can see this. Here we have the folding lines, triangle, and here we have this folding line. This is important. So we can fold this, and then we make this. That's why we need the folding line in both ways. So it's easier to do this step. Bring this to this, and the same on the other side. So now it looks like this. See? And then we fold the triangles this way. And then next. So, as you can see, this is a mini Blizzard book. And then this is the space for the tags. So, like this, and then we need the cover, and then we have a book. Okay, let's do the big strip. Here's one thing, and here. Okay, so. When you use the same measurements like I do, these shapes will overlap a bit. When you change the measurements, it could be that it looks like this. If this is larger, then you will get this, but you can use this too. That's not important. You can also put things in here like this. You need a bit thicker or larger tag then, and you have this kind. As you can see, you can use different materials. This is a piece from a newspaper. Use paper that you have on hand and that you like. Okay, back to this piece. So we have this, and now we will start with the triangles. So we'll do it on this side. And on the other side. So this side. This is thin paper, so I can use my fingers to fold. It's a bit difficult, a bit more difficult with thicker paper. And then you can use the bone folder. Okay, now let's open the accordion fold and let's start folding these triangles. So, the same on the other side. Oops. Like this. Okay. So, push it back. So, now the accordion fold looks like this. So, okay, so this is your first page, and then we fold this edge to the middle and this edge to the middle. And the next. go through all your pages and fold the triangles to the middle. Okay. So that's it. And this is the blizzard fold technique. This is the spine, and here you can add your tags. Like this. So in the next step I will show you how I decorate these tags. You can start creating your tags. I measured this 7 centimeters, and then I measured this and added a bit length, so it's nearly a square. And then I made this hole with this tool, and then I have this little helper to make these little rings. So, see? So it looks more like a tag when you add those little rings, but you don't need this hole or this ring. So, and in the next video I will show you how I decorate my tags and how you can create a very simple cover for this little book. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you will get inspired to do your own little book. Try it, and if you need any help, please let me know. Shoot me an email or write your question in the comment field, and I will do what I can to help you to create your little blizzard book. So thanks for watching, have a good time, and see you next time. Bye bye.